What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joseph, and in today's video I'll be going over the top indicators you should be using if you're looking to swing trade stocks. Now keep in mind everyone uses different indicators when they're trading, but the ones that I go over in today's video are ones that I personally use and that I find great results with. Now if you go on to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investing content like this. Also, if you want to be a part of a free Discord community where you can ask me questions about anything, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. Now, before we get into the top indicators you should be using, I'm going to go over briefly what swing trading is for any of those who don't know what swing trading is. And when you're swing trading stocks, you're pretty much looking to take advantage of one quick move within the market. Now, the trade typically lasts a few days or even a few weeks, and they offer great risk to reward ratios. So, for example, let's say a stock is trading within a range from $82 to $90. You're pretty much looking to buy at the bottom of that range and then ride the move towards the top and get out for a profit. So that's pretty much what swing trading is, and it's very beneficial if you can't look at the charts all the time. And as I said before, it offers great risk to reward ratios. Now, getting into the first indicator you should be using is the RSI. The RSI is a momentum oscillating indicator, and it has a range from 0 to 100. Now, when the RSI is over 70, it's going to show you that the stock is overbought, and then when the RSI is under 30, it's going to show you that the RSI is oversold. Long story short, having this indicator will help you determine whether or not you should be hopping into a stock at a particular time. As I said before, when the stock is around 70, you don't really want to be buying the stock because it's overvalued, and then when the stock is under 30, that's kind of where you want to be buying the stock because it's undervalued. So giving you guys an example on the screen right now, you can see Beyond Meat. When the RSI was under 30, it shows you that the RSI turns blue and it gives you an oversold reading. And as you can see with the price as well, from there, Beyond Meat started to go up in price because everyone was buying that oversold dip. And then when the RSI was around 70 or above and the stock was overbought, then we saw a dip in Beyond Meat, and as you can see, the price started to decline from there. So as I said before, you want to be buying when the RSI is towards the bottom around 30 and selling when the RSI is around 70 or above. Now keep in mind the RSI is a lagging indicator, and that when the RSI is around 70, it can stay there for a long time and the price can still continue to go up. But more times than not, you're more likely to have a pullback when the RSI is above 70. Now, getting into the second indicator, we have the MACD. And this indicator is very helpful because it gives you an idea of when the momentum is switching within a particular stock. If the stock is switching from buyers to sellers or even vice versa. So this can help you with trend changes in the market and kind of determine whether or not you should be shorting the market or even buying up the market. Now, the MACD has two lines and some histograms. The first line is the MACD, and then the second line is a signal line. When the MACD crosses above the signal line, that shows a bullish change within the market and that you should be buying up the particular stock you're looking to trade. And then vice versa, when the MACD crosses below the signal line, that's when you want to be selling, or you can expect a move further down within the stock price. Now, giving you guys another example with Beyond Meat, as you can see, the MACD crossed below the signal line, and in reflection, the price started to trend downwards. So keep in mind, this is very great for momentum changes, and then vice versa, when the MACD crossed above the signal line, Beyond Meat started to go up in price as well. So overall, having this MACD indicator on your chart is very easy to understand and use, and you should test it out yourself. Now, getting into the last indicator you should be using is the 20, the 50, and the 100 SMAs. Now, these moving averages pretty much takes the average price of the stock over a set period of time. So for the 20 SMA, it's going to give you the average price of a stock over the past 20 days. Using a combination of all three of these moving average are amazing because typically when a stock is in an uptrend and it pulls back to either one of these moving averages. If the stock is in a strong bullish uptrend, it's going to use the 20 SMA as support and continue to go up from there. And then on bigger pullbacks, it tends to gravitate towards the 50 or the 100 SMA. So giving you guys an example with SPY, as we can see, SPY has been in a strong uptrend overall. So it's been bouncing off of the 20 SMA, which is that light orangish, yellowish line on my chart. And then if it pulls back even further, it tends to pull back to the 50 or even the 100 SMA. So having these moving averages will give you great entry points when you're looking to swing trade a stock. Now, a lot of people use different moving averages. Some people use EMAs instead of SMAs, but you got to kind of figure out which ones you like using the best and on which period of time you like using. But for me, having the 20, the 50, and the 100 SMA works just fine. So that's what I'm comfortable with using. So as you guys saw in today's video, all of these indicators are very easy to use and implement in your trading. Having them will help you with timing your entries, deciding whether or not you should be buying a stock, and should help you overall when you're swing trading your stocks and give you a high probability of profiting on each trade. Keep in mind that all indicators are lagging indicators and that you should mainly focus on the price action and use indicators as a supplementary piece to your trading. If you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. See you in the next one.